Hello and welcome to another Aldi and Lidl tool video. Following on from my last video that I did with the mega giveaway, the results of that will be drawn at the end of this video. So without further ado, I'll crack on. And unusually, Aldi came up trumps this time. I got some nice items from Aldi. So the first couple of things I got, they had these miniature tool sets in. Now I bought this one. This is a smartphone repair kit, so it says. But for railway modelers, I know not all of you are railway modelers, but these things, I can't get them out, very tight. These separating devices with the hooks on, these will come in handy for removing body shells off models, if you can get them out if you can get them out there, that is. They are in there quite tight. And you've also got a screwdriver set with some miniature, and they are miniature. I mean, there's your flathead screw. They are miniature screws, so it is a smartphone set. Let me just try and lever that out of there, because that is in there ridiculously tight. There we go. They are miniature. It is made for a smartphone, but for mending models, that is going to come in very handy, especially with the finesse. You also get this this tool here, which is also stuck. Why is it all stuck in there? There we go. That is for removing your SIM cards and stuff, but it's all good. These, especially these separators, getting in between body shells, popping them off, very handy indeed. That one looks like it should be longer, because the case is made, if you put that, if you can get it back in, it looks like it should extend a bit. But yeah, so that's your iPhone or smartphone set, and then you've got a precision 18-bit set. So the pair of these, very handy for doing models. You've got a lot of tiny bits there. I'll put that on the back so you can read it. Ideal for repairing small applications like watches, glasses and computers, etc. And then obviously, like I said, that one on the smartphone. £2.99 each from Aldi. Workzone at Aldi. I did have a route around to see if there was any different ones, but they only seem to have these two in stock. So yeah, very good. I like that one especially. That one especially will come in handy for railway modelers. The next thing I got from Aldi is the subject of this video's giveaway. It is a screwdriver set with the wall mounted, let me just get my knife and open it up. Wall mounted plastic rack, includes screws and wall plug fittings, but I always tend to use my own. Let me just open this up. I don't want them to fall everywhere. There we go. And there's your wall plugs and screws. But there we go, a screwdriver set. You've got 18 pieces, 8 screwdrivers. In fact, I'll put that on there and then you can read what you get. You get 10 precision screwdrivers, 8 screwdrivers, 4 of each, 2 of them. And this handy sturdy plastic, so you can mount it from the rear. Yep, mount it from the rear. The 2 holes, and they are good quality. I've got the Lidl version of this. These screwdrivers are very good. I use them all the time. Just get my knife in here. No, they're not magnetic tipped. So the larger screwdrivers do have magnetic tips, but the smaller, more precision ones don't appear to have that. No, they're not magnetic. But it's a very good set. Like I said, I've got the Lidl equivalent, and they are very good. Now, if you want to get your hands on these, leave a comment, and I'll pick one at random in the next video, and you could win this screwdriver set. But more on that at the end of the video. So that was very good. That, I can't remember if it was £6.99. I've lost the receipt for this one, which isn't handy. I'm not very organised when it comes to things like that, unless it's in this bag. You know what? It is in the bag. I haven't lost it. Screwdriver set was £6.99. Yeah, I got it right. £6.99 for the screwdriver set, and just to confirm, those miniature tool sets were £2.99 each. But yeah, if you want to win this, if you want to get your hands on this 18-piece screwdriver set, leave a comment, and who knows, you could end up owning this very set. Right, the next thing I got from Aldi, I said this is the last thing I got from Aldi. Obviously, after Christmas, everything was adjusting. But this is my most favourite thing that Aldi do. Apologies for the camera stand there. And I buy one of these most times they're in. And I have featured them before, but it's these. 33 drawer organiser. Now, I use these a lot with all my modelling pets. And you cannot go wrong with it. These are a tenner. $9.99. And you get this one, or you get one with, it's got like the middle drawers like that, but then it's got larger, deeper drawers each side. $9.99. You cannot, I have looked, you cannot find them cheaper anywhere else. So that's where, when Lidl or Aldi have them, I do tend to buy one. Now I'm just going to take the cellophane off here. Now these drawers, very handy, very sturdy. You've seen in previous videos, my workbench is surrounded by these, full of bits and pieces. In the larger drawer at the bottom, I'll stand it up actually, because it's out of shot there. In the larger drawer at the bottom, you get the drawer dividers, so you can divide them up into little pieces. But these 33 drawer organisers, I cannot fault. They are excellent. I've had them for years, and I'm getting to the point now where my workbench is surrounded. I don't have a lot of places to put them now, which is a shame, because I don't like passing them up, because they're such good value for money and they don't hang around long. I went to the Aldi on the one at Brotherhood Retail Park in Peterborough. They had loads yesterday. That was the Friday. They had absolutely loads of these. So if you want one, I suggest you get down there quick, because they don't tend to hang around, especially this one. The one with the larger drawers tends to hang around longer than these. These are really good. Cannot stress enough how much I like this product. Right, next we're going to look at the stuff I got from Lidl. And the first thing I picked up was this. Everybody needs one of these. Car, home, garage, workshop, first aid kits. That I didn't actually have in my workshop, and this was a £5. 38-piece first aid kit, ideal for carrying while cycling, hiking, and like I said, keeping in the car, etc. So let's quickly remove this, remove the cellophane, and have a quick look inside. Belt attachment, very small, would fit in the glove box of most cars, and everything in there. Bandage, look at that. Bandages, plasters, there's even a pair of scissors, safety pins. That's very, very good. For £5, it's worth having, if you know, just to keep in the car, especially like I've got little children. It's a handy thing to have. So a handy little first aid kit. Down the middle aisle of Lidl. Sensiplast. And there is what you get. I'm not going to open obviously all the satchels up, but plasters, rubber gloves, tape, bandage, scissors. £5, can't go wrong, well worth it. And like I said, it's got a thing there if you're camping, for your bike, for your belts, hiking, and it's very small. You know, it fits in the palm of your hand. Very, very good bit of kit. First aid kit from Lidl. The next thing I got from Lidl, I bought this because my one I've got currently is starting to go. It's an insulated travel mug. This was $4.99 as well. There is an instruction manual for a mug, really. Cleaning instructions, etc. Oh, fair enough. It's insulated, so it will keep stuff warm. Quite a big capacity. So you push the top down to drink. When it's screwed in, basically it's a drink. It's like a flask. There you go, and it closes and opens. 400mm, plus or minus 10%. It says, whatever that means. But yeah, insulated travel mug. There were two designs. There was this one, and there was one with a handle on it. I didn't buy the one with a handle on it because I used mine in the car. So double walled insulation, keeps drinks hot or cold. I will use mine for hot drinks. So I just thought it was worth getting, because like I said, the one I haven't got a Parkside one at the moment, but my one that I do use on early mornings going to work is starting to give a little bit of a plasticky taste. So I think the insulation and that's wearing out. I've had it for years. So for $4.99, I just thought I'd get myself a new one. And obviously that was in the tool section with all the other Parkside stuff. Oh, I didn't think it was too bad, to be honest. £4.99 for an insulated travel mug. The next thing I got from Parkside was this. Now, James has been after one of these. My lad, he wants one of these for his mobile phone. And it's a mobile power bank. This mobile power bank was £12.99. And it comes with a USB interface there, one of the newer type USBs. Basically, the rubber housing comes up, there's your charging ports. It's got a light on it for some reason as well. I'm not quite sure why it's got a light on. Oh, there you go, it's very bright. Very bright light, that is. But these LEDs do tend to be from Lidl, as we've seen in the past. So you've got your instruction manual, which I've got caught on that. Get rid of that tissue paper. So there's your instructions for it. Basically it tells you in there. So you get that lead with it and that one there not included with the USB. So you can charge it up. I'll charge mine up off a computer. And then it can be used to charge your mobile phone. The intended use power bank is an IT device which is intended to be used to charge mobile devices that are normally charged through a USB port. So, yeah, it is basically a power bank. Horrible sticker on there. I'll leave that. So you've got your battery, your input and output, USB-C ports. So, yeah, not too bad at all, I didn't think. Yeah, he's been after one for a while, and I saw this in Lidl's and I thought I'd get him. If it's no good, obviously I'll come back in a future video and tell you what it's like. But the lights on it, I'm not quite sure why you need a light on a power bank, but yeah, nice little bit of kit. Comes with its cable, and have I left that on? No, that white light doesn't go off. But I'm going to leave that out because I'm going to charge that up in a minute anyway. £12.99 from Lidl. Now, the last thing I got today to have a look at is another screwdriver set. This again is going to be part of the giveaway. I've given away one of these before, so it'll just be a quick look. They've redesigned the catches on there so they don't break as easy. And this one, unlike the Aldi one, which is wall mounted, this one comes in this nice sturdy plastic carry case. So you have 32 pieces. You've got your bits there, screwdrivers, Phillips. There's your bit driver there for the bits, and obviously you've got your precision screwdrivers at the top. I do like these Parkside carry cases. A lot of the tools I've bought and reviewed have come in these. They stack up nice and neatly out of the way, fit in the tool cupboard, and it saves having them rattling around in the toolbox. So I'll just give you there's the screwdriver set there. That's what you get with it. So yeah, this is also going to be part of the giveaway for this video. If you want to win this screwdriver set or the Workzone one, this one, leave a comment and in the next video I will draw it live. Now, on the subject of prize draws, we will go now to me doing the random comment picker for the two big bundles that I did in the last video. And a note to say that everybody else that won the drill, etc., that will be sent off in the next few days. I've given myself a couple of weeks off over Christmas and the New Year because I was working an awful lot and I didn't have a lot of time at home with the kids and that, so I just didn't do anything. I didn't go to the post office and nothing. I just stayed at home. And then obviously all that floods and that didn't help either. But I'll get it all sent off. But we'll head over now and do a live YouTube. We'll do a pick of random comments. Right, so I'm on the random comment picker. You have to do this maths problem. And then it picks a winner. There's 222 comments. So picking the first winner, and that is Halcon007. Halcon007, and I'll just scroll down. This was done on my phone using a screen recorder, so it's not the best. But nice giveaway, Merry Christmas. So Halcon007, email me at dansmodelrailways@gmail.com. Email address will be on the screen at the end of the video. You've won one of the tool bundles from the last video. And then the next winner with a comment was, we'll scroll down in a moment. There's going to be some very lucky people. Will Claymore 5, you are one of the lucky people. You have won the second bundle. So one of you will get the multi-tool, the other will get the, I can't remember what the prize was now, but you've both won, so email me. Congratulations. Right, thank you very much again for watching another Aldi Lidl tool video. Congratulations to those winners, Halcon007 and Claymore 5. My email address is on screen and has been on screen. Send me an email with your name and address on it and I'll get those packages sent off to you. Lewis, the drill's on its way to you as well from last video. I think I didn't get too much this time, but I got some nice bits. The power bank was good. This, for model railway people, that is excellent. These two little sets, they are just wonderful. Always like those. First aid kit, essential, and your screwdriver sets. If you want to win them, leave a comment. So thanks very much. One thing I will say before I go, I look at the feedback, etc. through the videos on the YouTube studio, and 80% of people that watch these videos haven't subscribed. Come on guys, subscribe. It helps the channel. It gets the videos out there more, and the more views, it's just good for the channel. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, turn on the little bell for notifications, and you won't ever miss an Aldi Lidl tool video. So if you want one of these drawer sets, go and get one. They're in stock. They will sell out quickly. Other than that, thank you very much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will catch you again in the next video. Bye for now.